I confirm in the last contest, I got whooped. So we're going to restart. This is Team Canada against Team US. From what I've seen, don't bet against the Chig.
USA.
But I'll do my darndest to make us proud. Signal?
Nail.
Well, I thought I'd show you a signal that it sometimes is nice. See what blanks out in the middle? I'm not sure about, but these are loose tailings. I ought to be able to get it out without a ton of effort. Right in here somewhere. Now you see the way I'm using the pinpointer? I go sideways because the whole thing is sensitive, and if I get a signal, then I'll zero in on it. But I'm not picking up anything in there. So whatever is there is a little bit deeper. Let's move some rock. Oh, that's not a great signal. And there it is. Tin.
Well, it's definitely a good sounding signal.
That to me
Yeah.
is a sound of silver. So I'm gonna dig that. Oh yeah. Oh man.
That's good. Blanking out. Not good. Several targets. I don't know. I think it's gonna be iron. Several targets, big, so that's not.
Still too deep for the pinpointer.
Yeah. I'm gonna run down the truck real quick and dump my bag. And you want water?
Sure.
meMiner still digging away, making a mine. Closer.
I am closer, but there's a couple big rocks in the way. So, can you go back to the truck and get my crowbar?
Holy crap. You should have gloves on.
Yes, I should.
Let's get that in.
If I can get under it, I can get it out. Oh, jeez.
A little bit.
It moved? So there's the hole. There's one rock that wouldn't move. There's another one on this side won't move. So what I've got is about a 4-foot bar. If you can get it to wiggle, you can get it out. It's just a matter of, wow, that one's in tight. So I'll try this way. I got this one to pull out. So we'll pull out some of this stuff and see what it is maybe we're digging for. I I really hope it's not under that rock. Oh, we got it to move. I am so happy. Now let's see. Still in the hole. Okay. Eddie said not to dig. That is a huge rock. It's heavy. 8, maybe 10 pounds, I think. Sometimes I overguess because I'm too happy. That pink there is cobalt. That's looking like cobalt to me. But this nice gray in here, I think it's bad boy silver. I think that is a huge chunk. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just see it starting to come through. Bright and shiny, just little bits. Just, I think this one. Yeah, and there's, I know it doesn't look much on the camera, but I can see silver coming through there too. Let me just try again. But that's one we should wash up later and show you a nice rock. See that? That's gonna clean up beautiful. Now, let's not make the mistake of leaving anything behind. I think we're good. I'll check it with the GPX. Then we'll head over to where Chig is digging because he seems to be in a pretty nice location. Yay, Team Canada. We got 1 point. But it was a good one. Well earned. There we are, washed a little bit, and it's still a little bit dirty. But it's better than it was. There's the main silver showing with calcite, and still a bit of that red erythrite showing through. Lovely, eh? So down through the trees, you can see Aquachigger. He is in a hot spot. He's just pulling out nugget after nugget. I'm so happy for him, and I'm about to get jealous. I was almost tempted to smoke him out with a grenade. But that might be a little silly, you know. What a guy. And you know, he's already been across this rock pile. And I'll tell you how good the guy is. I haven't found one decent signal. But once the Chig gets through, there ain't nothing left. What a guy. So I suggest you keep an eye on Aquachigger's videos. When he gets around to posting, I think you'd be amazed at what he has found. He is no slouch when it comes to detecting, and he's got a really good machine for up here. And I am impressed. For me, those words don't come easy. So thank you for watching. We'll do it again soon.